What's up, everybody? It's Nasty Nate. Today we're working on the Duramax. Let me show you real quick what we're about to do. If you guessed head gaskets, you probably guessed right. We've just started, maybe 20 minutes ago. I'm going through everything, labeling with a Sharpie, some masking tape, just all the wiring. And we are going to just try to get everything tore down today. So we're doing head gaskets, studs, the whole upper gasket kit, and then we're going to do an EGR delete when we put it back together. So stay tuned for that. I'll keep updating you guys whenever I feel like it, I guess. But right now, we're just going to try to tear this thing down and get as much done as we possibly can today. Hopefully it goes well. What's up, guys? It's the next day. We got the Duramax pretty much torn apart. We're at Jesse's shop. It's pretty cool. He let me pull this thing in here. I got my own bay. So today we got, let's see, we got all the accessories off the front, which is a job. We got the wiring harness. I just pulled that. Had to disconnect these fuel lines, which is a pain in the ass. So the next step is going to be to pull all the hard lines for the fuel, and then injector lines and injectors. This is pretty cool. There's like absolutely no play whatsoever in the turbo. 170,000 miles. So we're working. So tomorrow, gotta go to work, which is bullshit. No one likes work. But after that, I'm gonna come over here and pull the rest of these lines, I guess. And then we're ordering more parts, EGR delete, probably an intake, stuff like that. But here's the harness I just pulled. Everything I labeled with masking tape, wrote exactly where it goes. Except the injector plugs, that's pretty obvious. Here's the upper thermostat hose or upper radiator hose. Just some brackets, the PCV, which if you own a Duramax, you do not want this, so I'm gonna buy the delete for that. There's the EGR. Oh, this is kind of interesting to see. This, I don't know if you can see it, but that's why you do an EGR delete. That stuff is nasty. So we're not putting this back on the truck, but I think we're done for tonight. Let's go check out the wagon on the lift, boy. Woo. Doing rear brakes on this 335i wagon. Just kidding, it's 328. What do you still have to do? Just take the rotor off?
Notify.
Beat it off?
I'll show you beat it off.
Oh, you show me. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna try to get the heads off this week, and then I'm gonna send them out. But other than that, stay subscribed to Nasty Nate, and I'll keep you guys updated on the Duramax.
Yeah, buddy.
We'll see you, boys.